Welcome everyone, my name's Debbie, I'm from Nautilus Aviation and we'd like to welcome you aboard a scenic flight here in Townsville. With 30-minute scenic flights around Magnetic Island, we rise above the waters of the Coral Sea and take in the stunning scenery, watch as rugged cliffs give way to the island's dense national park, rainforest, and blend into the stunning secluded caves. The return voyage to Townsville gives you the Townsville Port, Castle Hill, Ross River and the Strand, an area that is only truly appreciated from the air. So here at Nautilus Aviation we would like to welcome you aboard and offer you an exceptional perspective of the diverse region. Please come and join us, we'd love to take you to new heights.